and happy Sunday. Peter Obi's new message is leaving Nigerians talking, debating, and asking an important question. Is this simply another political statement, or is it a signal of something much bigger ahead? Across social media, television programs, and political circles, conversations have intensified following the former presidential candidate's latest remarks. Supporters see it as a message of hope and direction. Critics argue that words alone are not enough. Yet one thing is clear. The message has captured attention and reignited discussions about leadership, about governance, and Nigeria's future. At a time when millions of Nigerians are grumbling with economic hardship, insecurity, unemployment, and growing concerns about the direction of the country, every statement from major political figures carries significant weight. Peter Obi remains one of the most talked about personalities in Nigerian politics, and his latest comments have once again placed him at a center of national debate. Whether people agree with him or disagree with him, they are paying attention. That alone demonstrates the level of influence he continues to command in the country's political conversation. What makes the reaction particularly interesting is not just what Obi said, but how Nigerians are interpreting it. Some view his message as a direct challenge to the political establishment. Others see it as an attempt to reconnect with supporters and remind them of the promises and ideas that helped fuel one of the most energetic political movements in recent Nigerian history. There are also those who believe the statement is carefully timed as political activities gradually begin to intensify ahead of future electoral contests. For many observers, the message touches on a broader issue that extends beyond any single politician. It raises questions about accountability, leadership, and the expectations Nigerians have for those who seek public office. Citizens increasingly want leaders who can provide practical solutions to every challenges. They want improved security. They want better infrastructure. They want stronger economic opportunities and more effective public services. As a result, political statements are no longer judged solely by their popularity, but also by whether they resonate with the realities people face daily. The response from supporters has been swift and passionate. Across various online platforms, many have praised Obi's comments, arguing that he continues to articulate concerns shared by ordinary Nigerians. They describe him as a politician willing to challenge conventional thinking and speak about issues that directly affect citizens. For these supporters, the latest message reinforces their belief that Nigeria needs a different approach to governance and leadership. They see his words as a reminder that the country can pursue a different path. Critics have responded with equal intensity. Some argue that political leaders should focus less on public statements and more on presenting detailed plans for addressing national challenges. Others question whether the message offers anything substantially new. The extent that Nigerians have heard many promises and speeches over the years and are increasingly interested in concrete actions rather than rhetoric. This difference in interpretation is precisely what has made the conversation so intense and widespread. Beyond the immediate reaction, the development highlights the continuing influence of political communication in shaping public opinion. In today's digital age, a single statement can dominate national discussions within hours. Supporters amplify it. Opponents challenge it. Commentators analyze it. Citizens debate it. Before long, what began as a simple message becomes a major political event. This dynamic explains why leading political figures carefully choose their words and why the public pays close attention to what they say. The larger question many Nigerians are asking is whether messages like this can translate into meaningful political momentum. Public enthusiasm is important, but political success often depends on organization, grassroots engagement, coalition building, and the ability to connect with voters beyond social media discussions. As political activities continue to evolve, observers will be watching closely to see whether the attention generated by Obi's latest remarks develops into broader political influence or remains part of the ongoing national conversation. There is also a growing recognition that Nigeria's challenges require serious discussions about the future. Citizens want to hear how leaders intend to tackle insecurity, improve economy, create jobs, strengthen institutions, and restore confidence in governance. Political messages that address these concerns tend to resonate strongly because they connect directly with the daily experiences of millions of people. That is one reason why Obi's latest comments have attracted so much interest. Many Nigerians are searching for answers, and they are eager to hear from those who inspire it. As reactions continue to pour in, one reality stands out. Peter Obi's message has succeeded in getting Nigerians talking. Supporters are energized. Critics are responding. Political observers are analyzing every word. The message, the conversation is spreading across the country, and the debate shows no signs of slowing down. Whether the message ultimately changes political calculations or simply adds another chapter to Nigeria's evolving political story remains to be seen. What is certain is that Nigerians are listening, they are watching, and asking what comes next. In a political environment where attention is difficult to capture, Obi has once again managed to place himself firmly at the center of the national conversation. What do you think about Obi's latest message? Do you believe it offers a new direction for Nigeria, or is more needed beyond words? Share your views in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this report, please like, subscribe to First Next News, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest political updates and breaking news. I am Cassie Tony, and many thanks for watching. Happy Sunday to you.